Hey guys, I'm Donovan, HAAF Realty, part of the Jots Group out here at Pulte Homes, part of the Heartwood community. We're going to be here with Christina.
Yes.
She's going to be talking to us through the Ibis floor plan, so I'm really excited. Let's check it out. All right, Christina, show us around. I like this porch right here.
Yes.
Are they all like really large like this?
So most of our floor plans come with their front door, a front porch. Some of them have a little bit bigger than others. It just depends on the floor plan. But in this specific floor plan, the porches come standard.
And two-car garage with it as well? All right,
that is correct.
Excellent. Fantastic.
Come on in.
Now this is the model homes turned office, so these rooms have some office differences, but she's gonna be able to tell us what's the differences between the two, right?
Yes, so right now we're gonna walk through, we have wide hallways, which is really nice. And in our Ibis floor plan, we do have 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. So when you walk in, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms here. Right now we are using them as an office. So just kind of use your imagination.
Well, I'm gonna check it out real quick. There's one. You can fit queen size beds in here, you think?
Yes.
Definitely queen size.
Got one there.
Yeah, and then the bathroom shower tub combo. This is quartz countertop, is that correct?
Correct.
All right.
So all of our homes will come with the luxury vinyl plank flooring that you see. We'll have white or gray cabinets, and quartz countertops will be throughout the home.
Oh, fantastic. All right, great.
And then if you come over here, you're gonna have another bedroom down the hall. Again, used as an office.
All right, as an office. But of course, if you can put this kind of furniture in the office, you can definitely fit. This one I could probably fit a king size if you really wanted to. Is there carpet on the floors?
Carpet will be in the bedrooms only.
Okay.
On our first floor homes or single story homes. On our 2-story homes, you're gonna have carpet on the stairs and upstairs.
All right, excellent, cool. So this is a laundry room typically, but because it's an office,
right,
it's gotta be a bathroom, which is fine. Mm-hmm. But that's a big laundry room right there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's pretty good. Cool. So if you continue this way, you're gonna have a coat closet. Okay. And then if you walk on in, you're gonna see your kitchen, living area, and eat-in kitchen.
Look at that. I like the way this flows. And it's all quartz, so that's gas stove?
We are a natural gas community, so it will come with gas stoves as well as a tankless water heater that also operates off of gas.
Oh, wow, tankless water heater, wow. Yes. That's great. So all the homes come with quartz countertops, is that correct?
Quartz countertops, yep. We also come with blinds. You don't see it here because we are a model, but blinds come standard. Irrigation is also standard. You'll also have a remote control for your garage door. And there's also a keypad, and there's like a little, like an app you log into, and you'll be able to log in from your phone and be able to control your garage door from your phone.
All right, cool. And I love the pendant lights you guys got going on there and the tile backsplash.
Yeah, so speaking of the pendant lights, we do have pendant light pre-wires standard in all of our homes above the island. So we don't supply the pendant lights, but we do have the pre-wires for you.
Ah, okay, okay. Cool, cool, cool. I like the wide open space in the living room. Holy cow.
Yeah, it's a nice size.
Yeah. Love that. And then, so what kind of warranties do you have for your new construction homes at Centex?
That is a great question. We have a great warranty. We have a warranty that is slightly above most competitors. So right now we have a 210 warranty, which is 2 years mechanical, 10 years structural. Mm-hmm. We also have a 5-year warranty that guarantees water intrusion in specific areas of the home because of certain systems that we use and we put in place behind the walls. But we also have the 1-year warranty as well. So you'll have someone on site. Speaking on site, our warranty is in-house. So our warranty people are actually going around the community. So we're local. A lot of other builders outsource their warranty.
Right.
We're actually in-house.
Oh, wow. Okay. So if you have problems, you come see Christina and fix, right?
Christina will point you in the right direction.
All right. And then back here is the primary bedroom?
Yes.
All right. Used as an office?
Yes.
So this is a big office. See, they can fit 3 desks in here. It's at least 2 king size beds.
Right.
Yeah, this is tons of space. I do like this. Why didn't they, like others, even the Continental, why didn't they put this in the garage?
We do have offices in the
Oh, you do? So they needed more. Okay.
Yes, we're expanding and we're growing as a company, so we're getting a little tight over here. We have a corporate office that is in the process of being built, and we will be moving over there shortly.
Gotcha. I like the nice walk-in closet. You can fit all kinds of boxes, as you can see.
Yes, and you also notice too that you do have the shower. All of our homes with our Centex brand is going to be the shower in the owner's bath. It will look just like this in all of our homes.
Okay. All right, great. Let's go at the back.
Yeah.
So what are lot sizes typical for a home like this, would you say?
That's a great question. We get asked that a lot. So our lot sizes are going to range anywhere from 0.14 and go all the way up to 0.2, just depending on where it is in the community.
Okay, I love this screened-in porch.
So the screened-in porch does get added to some of our homes. We try to keep the cost down with our Centex homes. We want to be able to make our homes a little bit more affordable. So we try to make it as nice as possible without adding more pricing in it. We definitely try to cover the porches. Now, this specific plan does come with a covered porch regardless whether you put a screen or not. If we don't screen it, you can always screen it after closing.
Okay, cool. All right, and what's the HOA in here?
HOA is $952 per year, which comes out to be about $80 a month.
$80 a month. And what is included in the HOA?
So in this community, we're gonna have a pool. Actually, the pool is already there. We have a playground. We have 5 nature trails. 3 are completed, 2 are in the process of being completed. We have a cafe on site, which is Blue Coat. It's open from Monday through Friday, 8 to 2.
Wow.
We're also gonna have shopping and dining within walking distance. Our schools are also within walking distance, and our high school is actually being built with the anticipating starting date being August of this year. Nice. So we're actually the #1 largest school that's been built from the ground up in the state of Georgia.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's interesting. No, if you haven't been around here to see it, it's pretty massive. All right, well, fantastic. And here's the back of the home, so you see. So, yeah. All right, so we did. So it's the Ibis floor plan by Centex Homes. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you guys have any questions about this home or any Centex home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Christina, if they want to get a hold of you, what's your phone number?
My phone number is 404-924-0989.
All right, thank you guys again for watching. I'll talk to you soon.